Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to export your financial reports from the Wallet app for tax seasons. Now, first, open the Wallet app on your Android device and log in. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then select Others. From there, choose Export. You can filter your transactions by account, record type like income/expense, payment type, for example, cash, credit card, or bank transfer, and date range. You can also choose to include account transfers. Finally, select your desired file format: PDF, XLS, or CSV, whatever you like. And once you have set your preferences, tap Save to export your data. Now, please note that the export feature is available on the Android version of the Wallet app. If you're using the iOS version, this feature may not be available yet. In that case, you might consider using third-party financial software that can categorize and export transactions after importing your monthly statements. And that's it. You have just exported your wallet financial reports to tax for tax season. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick how-to videos.